All right, the 2 minutes chart is telling us that we are already almost at the exhaustion level, which is right here. So, and also that red line there is representing a major resistance level, which means we would actually expect a little slight pullback here. Besides being bullish today a little bit on SPY, we took a quick trade right here. If you all were watching this keenly, took a quick trade right here after we broke to that upside. And at this point, we are watching this level really, really closely as this momentum starts to cool down a little bit. Even though we're still above the zero line here, we expect that this should pull back and give us a quick put option, and then we can reverse back with a quick call option out of that. Stay tuned. I will keep you posted as the day goes. Um, Check me back later.